Allow me to share this with you, the comparison with these original and fake JBL Clip4. So let's start with the box. The original has more on details than the fake. Even the packaging of the fake really looks cheap. The original box is bigger in size and even the text as well. It might be late reviewing this product since almost 4 years when this product was released. The bottom of the box of the original stated the product itself than the fake, which is nothing is written. So let's unbox this original JBL Clip4. It is powered by Type-C cable, and the cable itself written the JBL brand. You have quick start guide and the manual. The manual, which are more detailed. You do have warranty guides as well, and you can check as well the color choices for JBL Clip4. So the packaging and inside the box, then you will notice that this is the original product. So let's unbox the fake JBL Clip4. As you can see, the packaging is very simple and the materials used is cheap. Though that doesn't matter, because after this, original and fake packaging will thrown it away. As you can see, the manual, just like quick start guide, and USB cable used is an old micro USB. Nowadays, Type-C charging cable is commonly used. This fake JBL Clip4, the charging port and the switch button located in one area. But they added some features like the USB port, used for USB flash drive, and micro SD card port. As you can notice the JBL text, original is more precise than the fake. The original is more square shape, unlike the fake, it's an oblong shape. The original keychain function is more unique than the fake and more fragile than the original. On the sides, original carved the Clip4 brand, which nothing is written on the fake JBL. See guys, the Type-C charging port should be at the bottom, and the switch button and Bluetooth button should be on the sides, but the fake JBL put in one area with cover. The original should have the same appearance like a net type at the back, but the fake keep it plain plastic. This original weight 221 grams, which is a bit heavier than the fake, which is only 188 grams. So let's have a music sample on both devices. You may not notice it, but the original has more bass than the fake, though in the video the fake has more on voice clarity than the original. I don't know, in this video they sound almost the same, but listening it originally, the original has great sound. In terms of usage, they both delivered the same hours stated in the manual. For the original, it takes almost 10 hours, and for the fake, it takes 5 hours. I'm just using normal sound volume. Of course, it will varies the volume level you are using. The higher, the faster battery usage you will consume. So let's check the battery capacity for both of this device. Red light indicates that it is charging. And when it is full charge, there's no light anymore. The manual stated it has 800 milliampere hours, but in my reading, it has only 545 milliampere hours. And for the original JBL, the red color appears when it is charging, but the light indicator located at the keychain area. In my opinion, if you really have the means to purchase the original product, then go for it. I'm not supporting copycat products, but if that's the only way we can have the product with same picture of the original products, so why not? And if the budget goes only for copycat item, so take it. But don't complain about the quality, because you buy it cheap, then you get it cheap as well. Thanks for watching.